If you're looking at your houseplant, you're like, oh my God, girl, you're so, wait, what the fuck is that? It's not going to be honey. Honey is going to be something far worse. I'll let you know what it is and how to get rid of it. So it's going to be scale. And what scale is, it's not one kind of pest. It's going to be a bunch of different kinds of pests that attach themselves to your plant. Look, these bitches look like they're ready to go inside the club, bitch, but you're not on the list, okay? You're not cute enough to get in. They attach themselves to the plant and then they suck the life force, producing like a sap or honey-like substance on top of the leaves. So once you see these bitches, grab that alcohol. The higher the concentrate, the better. 99.9, okay? Suwoo. Just kidding. Don't come after me. So swipe that bitch off with a Q-tip. And some are easy to get. So you might be like, oh my God, Kira, what you talking about? These aren't that bad. This one's easy to swippity, swipity, swoopity, swipe. And look, I want you all to get a closer look so they can look brown and kind of scabby. Like, all right, that's what a lot of them look like. Some you can get off hella easy with your nail. They usually reside on the underside of leaves, or like the little spindly stuff. Basically, these bitches go attach themselves to anywhere they don't want to get off of. So look, that one came off of my nail, but pay attention to this little red heifer right here. This bitch does not want to get off. It has evaded my 5 swipes. Look, 6, 7. It took me 7 swipes with a nail to get that shit off. Look at them acting like they pay the fucking bills. God damn it. So this collection of shit I'm showing you on this napkin is not even half of what I actually got off. But after you do that, I recommend doing this at least once a week. If you're that into saving your plant, rinse that hoe off with water, douse it with fucking neem oil so it just suffocates the plants or kills them with alcohol. Do it every week and you're good.